I can't believe it's been 6 months since I started this kitchen makeover. So much has changed. I told myself I would not post anything regarding this kitchen until it was completely done. And now it's a new year and I still haven't finished the kitchen. I learned how to crochet and it has taken over my life. But not in a bad way. I discovered a passion for crocheting I never knew I had. With all that's going on in the world, it has done wonders for my mental health. It's the only thing that keeps me sane. Well, that's enough about me. How have y'all been? I miss y'all. Hey friend, if you're new here, my name is Trina, and if you're a returning friend, hey girl, I miss you. I'm back to share my kitchen makeover step by step, my crochet journey, and all the things DIY. I've not given up on YouTube. Life has been lifing, but we're just going to keep pushing. That being said, I'm priming the cabinet and priming the cabinet door. Also, I do a little more sanding of the cabinet doors before I prime them. This is by far not my favorite part of a DIY, but when it's all said and done, this is the part that makes it all worth it.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it.
Alright y'all, so this is the first coat of primer that I put on, and this one right here I messed it up, so I'm going to get a hand sander and sand this down some more and come back and put another coat on here. This is all trial and error, but it's coming along. I feel like I'm getting something done.